Hey bestie, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. I hope you consider subscribing to the channel. Today we are practicing nail art. As I said in my previous video that I want to challenge myself to start learning nail art. So today we are practicing nail art. So for this particular art, we're gonna need a white base. So I am starting with my white gel and I cure that for 60 seconds, and then now I'm applying my matte top coat, and I will cure that for 60 seconds as well. Now the art begins. I'll be using my pigment powders for this, and there is no particular order in which you put the powders. There is no specific way to put the powder. Just place them randomly wherever you feel like putting them. When you're done placing your pigment powders, you remove the excess dust from the nail. Look at that beauty. So now at this point you have to trust the process, because now I'm using my milky white gel to create some decorations. I'll be creating a rose and some leaves. You can do whatever you want, I believe, but yeah, now you have to trust the process. While you're still watching, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel. I would really appreciate it. Now when you're done drawing your desired art, you cure that for 60 seconds and use acetone to clean the excess pigment powders. And would you look at that? I mean, it's not perfect, but look at that. I'm so proud of myself. The final step is the top coat, and then cure that for 60 seconds, and we are done. Thank you so much for watching this video and practicing this art with me. See you on the next video. I think I'll be doing more videos like this one because I want to learn more art. See you on the next one. Bye.